Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to export and import WooCommerce product from one store to another in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Okay, so coming down to our web store, in here we can see we are currently on our shop page. Now if I click on all products, we can see we have all 12 products displaying on this store. Now coming down to our demo.bluebox.com, we can see also we are currently on our shop page, and if I click on all products, we can see it says no product were found matching your selection, which means there are no products on this store. Now for us to be able to export all 12 products from this store onto this store, we simply need to come down to our WordPress dashboard for bluebox.com, where we have our 12 products, and we can simply hover over product to select all products. Now, as we can see, we have three options in here. We have the option to add in a new product, we have the option to export product, and lastly, we also have the option to export our products from this store onto another store. Now, this is the option we want to click on, so I'm just going to click on export, and we should be presented with this interface. Now what this does is to give us the option to export some certain features that we want exported alongside with our product. So we're just going to leave all these options to default and want to check this box to export all custom metadata. So I'm just going to click on generate CSV file. And in here we can see we have our product downloaded onto our Windows. Now for us to be able to import the exported CSV file from this website onto our demo.bluebox.com, I'm just going to come down to product to select all products. And we should be presented with this interface. Now, if you already have a product on your website, you should be seeing an interface like this. But if you don't have a product already added onto your store, you can simply click on Start Import. And this should take us to this interface, and all we need to do is to simply click on Choose File. So I'm just going to click on this and click on Open. And in here we have the option to update existing products. So I'm just going to leave this to default and click on Continue. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll all the way down and click on Run the Importer. And as you can see, it says 12 products imported. So we can simply click on View Products, and we can see we have all 12 products imported onto the site. Now if we come down to our shop page for the demo.bluebox.com, and if I click on Refresh, we can see we have all 12 products imported onto this website, just as we do have in here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you got value, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one.